Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I am just so happy today. Beautiful sunrise I'm witnessing right now at the ripe time of 10 a.m. Makes me feel so nice and warm, except the sun hopefully will stay out longer as the days go by, and then hopefully can elongate everyone's brightness and mood. Anyway, I'm doing a whole video dedicated on my favorite drugstore makeup products. There's a couple new ones that I've never tried before. Well, I have tried like off camera, but never on camera. I just wanted to stick to a very natural look. Anyway, at this point, I would be trying my Physicians Formula primer, but I decided to go for a more liquid primer. So this is a Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer Mist. This is from Hard Candy. I'm very scared because I've never actually tried this under makeup before, but it says lasting hydration up to 12 hours, coconut water, electrolytes to boost hydration. So leave skin soft, smooth, and supple. The last time I tried this, the sprayer was like really annoying. Very, very tacky and sticky. So this primer could actually be pretty good for long-lasting makeup, maybe. We'll see. The sprayer on this is like not good. I like literally take it on my hands and do this. It's super, super tacky, which again is nice and sticky. So I feel like it will definitely hydrating. Anyway, I thought I'll put out my nails. Oh my gosh, I wrote in my diary this morning, but I painted my nails a new sparkly color and it just makes me feel so wonderful. I've just been like getting so into sparklier nail polish. But anyway, the foundation I'm going to be using is actually probably one of my new favorite foundations, just because I feel like this is almost could be a dupe for the It Cosmetic Your Skin But Better CC cream with SPF 50. Except this instead it's SPF 28, but it also has skincare in it, and at the same time it's very, very light coverage. And this is the Covergirl Simply Ageless Foundation SPF 28 with Hyaluronic Acid Complex. And this is like, I guess, a very hydrating makeup tutorial, I might say. Zoom you in more. Yeah, you see very, very, very hydrated and glowy my face is so far. I already put on sunscreen and moisturized prior to this. Thank goodness this is my shade because there weren't any samples, and the fact that there's a lot of selection of colors, I didn't know again what color my skin would be. So I literally just like looked at all of them and took a very educated guess, and when I tried it on, this just happened to be like my perfect shade. So I feel like I'm at a point where I could like literally just go into a makeup store, look at all the foundations, and just choose my color without even having to try it out, which is like awesome. Works out like most of the time. So far, I don't think I've ever made a mistake yet. Knock on, I don't have wood, knock on wood. My table here. Can't get over how accurate my instincts were when choosing this. And this coverage is just so natural. This is like the most thinnest foundation that I've ever tried that looks just so natural. Again, letting your imperfections peek through, such as acne scars. Although my acne is getting better, which is nice. I'm just so thankful. Brush it down the neck. So I'll just put on a bit more just on areas that I feel like need a bit more coverage. So the eyebrow products I want to use is my favorite drugstore, NYX. This just makes your eyebrows super thick looking and full, and also the fact that it is very controllable. A little goes a long way, so even this, you can just be as dramatic or not as dramatic as you like. But yes, I think the product is very controllable. I'm just thinking if I should carve them or not. But I have my super natural favorite concealer right now. It's the Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. It's the most natural. Again, I cannot stress that enough. Again, I always compare it to my Becca Luminous Aqua Silk Concealer, I think it's called. I don't even remember, but it's just, this is the most natural concealer I've ever used. We'll just put it around my eye area. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take my ring fingers and I'm going to just blend it in. This concealer is so nice and sheer. Oh my gosh. And it just blends out so nicely. Just gonna take excess on top. Beautiful. So I'm going to set my under eyes quickly with my COTY AIRSPUN. Yeah, this is by far like the most natural coverage I have ever worn in a long time. It has just been so wonderful being able to not have to wear as much makeup. But I think also next video will be like my experience, I think, taking the vitamins. So comment down below any questions you have for me, because I've been getting a lot of questions about my experience and what I personally, I guess, been through. So again, if you want to know anything more about that, I'll probably post a video again this Thursday just talking about my experience overall. So leave comments down below and then I'll answer them. The B5 for all you who never seen my Pantothenic Acid update. And I'm just gonna take the excess of the powder on my face. Oh, beautiful coverage. Oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna bronze my face quickly with the one and only Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, just from the palette. But this is like the same butter bronzer as they sell within the separate palettes. Ooh. Yeah, it's just super kind of orangey, very warm tone. Bronzes up, warms up the face. Yeah, I've never been contouring really ever. I don't really contour in general. It's more of just a bronzing I just do. Of course, my favorite blush of all time, if you all have not known. And again, I'll link all products down below, but this is the Essence in the shade 20 Satin Love, my favorite blush of all time. And again, lost the cap. It's crusted, busted, and dusted. You could tell my favorite products right away from just seeing very broken containers and caps. I'm just taking a brush over top. And also, what I've been starting to do is I actually so I put my blush, of course, here, but then the excess I've been taking and like putting on top of my nose to just kind of make me, I don't know, it just makes you look super extra rosy, and I just like that look. I think it looks very just cute. And then also highlighter, I've been really enjoying the Gallo, whatever, they totally spelled glow wrong, but this is FOCALLURE, and this is like a really nice highlighter. It's super blinding, and it's like the perfect shade. It's like not too white, the perfect mixture between champagne and white. It's not too dark, but it's not too light. Put a little bit on my nose, but it's definitely more on the brighter side. So if you have like paler skin, this probably would be the best shade for you. I probably can like just get away with it, but still pretty light for even my skin tone. But again, it's not to the point where it's just like too piercing. And then just on my cupid's bow, inner corner. Also, I just want to briefly mention the book that I'm reading, but it's a book called Calm, and it's supposed to be a book just basically giving you some like exercises and some processes that you can incorporate on your daily life to just be more calm, and it just kind of helps like ground yourself. So I'm hopefully going to get through the majority of this today. That is my goal. But anyway, once I end that, I will definitely be sure to mention that if you want to learn anything. Learn what I've learned from the book. Okay, this is just Rebel Rose in Wet n Wild. Again, one of my favorite lip colors of all time. Yeah, anyway, I feel like the importance of just like being able to just be grounded and being present and more calm. How you feel internally will definitely determine what you attract externally. Anyway, this is Essence Shine 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 in the shade 01 Bright On. And it's just a nice bronzy kind of look going on. It's so nice. I'm going to just top it off a bit with some mascara. I have like some extensions right now, but I'm having a fill tomorrow, so then my eyes will be a bit more wider looking. But I will put on a bit of mascara, and this is the Essence Get Big Lashes. Just on the ends, just to emphasize them. I'm not gonna go too crazy. Cleaning mascara out of lashes definitely is very hard to do. And also, I don't want to make it hard for my lash doctor. What do you call it? Lash, what do you call that then? What does she do? Are they called something? Lash? I don't know. I'll call them lash doctor. I have no idea. But anyway, this is the makeup. It's just super natural and very effortless, I would say, if I do say so myself. And I'm just going to top it off with some setting spray. I guess I'll be using a lot of Essence today. So Essence Keep It Perfect setting spray, my favorite setting spray. Just very simple and minimalistic. But I also add my own rose water and glycerin to this mixture. Not too much, because I feel like my face already is very moisturized just because of the initial primer I put on. This really makes your skin super natural when you apply makeup over top. Oh my goodness, I definitely give this an A+. The only thing is, I don't like the sprayer. Like, it's just super, like, it's not a nice mist. It's too direct. some points, so I would probably just like spray it in my hands and like pat it in, because then you won't risk getting it everywhere in your hair, and your hair will be all sticky and all that. That is my makeup today. And again, this is like my everyday natural makeup look I would typically wear to school, just super minimalistic. It just makes me feel very good and just very happy, and it's just again something to get your day started on the right track, especially if you are experiencing some acne breakouts. Like I always say in my videos, it just kind of gets your mind not fixated so much on your acne all day. There's gonna be a lot of people that say to them, oh, just let your skin breathe, don't wear makeup, or don't feel like you have to wear makeup, which is very true. If you don't want to wear makeup, then don't. But at the same time, I know if like you have acne, you're super self-conscious and you just like care too much about what other people think. So if wearing makeup enables you to not have to have those thoughts, those damaging thoughts that take over your brain, that will not be able to let you be the productive person that you are, or the upbeat, loving person that you are, then definitely wear makeup if it helps you. I know makeup helped me so much in that sense, so again, do it for the right reasons. And I hope you liked this look. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday and Thursday. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss a video I post. All my socials are linked down below, as well as the products. I hope you all have an amazing week. Virtual kisses and hugs. And I will see you in the next video. Okay. Peace.